select that. Let's click import. And then, of course, my project's in my downloads, my idle.fbx. I'll click open. And then you've got your FBX import options. Make sure that skeletal mesh is imported. At least the first object from Mixamo has to include the skeletal mesh. Any future FBXs that you download do not have to have the skin because you'll already have the skeleton. And we obviously want to import the animations because that's what we're really after. So make sure import animations is checked. And then once you've got all of that, click import all. And a few seconds later,